Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore security groups, one of the most essential tools for controlling access to resources inside your AWS VPC. Perhaps think of a security group as a digital bouncer standing at the entrance of your resources, for example, your EC2 instances. It decides who can come in, on what port, and from where. Security groups are stateful. That means if a request is allowed in, the response is automatically allowed out, even if you didn't explicitly define an outbound rule for the same. You define access using inbound and outbound rules based on protocol, for example TCP or UDP, port range, for example SSH on port 22, and source or destination, like an IP from anywhere or maybe a specific CIDR block. For example, if you want to allow SSH from your office network only, then you need to add an inbound rule on port 22 with your office's IP. However, if you're hosting a web application, then you need to open port 80 to the world, but perhaps only allow outbound access to specific APIs. Each EC2 instance can have multiple security groups, and each group can be reused across resources, so your rules stay modular and easy to manage. Security groups are as well tied directly to resources, not subnets. So even if two instances are in the same subnet, they might have totally different access rules. In the next lesson, we'll walk through creating a security group in the AWS console. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.